In this video, we will show how to program the softener. To start, press any button and the screen will display as shown. You'll then need to press and hold the menu button for approximately 3 seconds until you hear a beep, which indicates that you have unlocked the valve. Press and hold down the menu button for approximately 3 seconds until you hear a beep and the time of day shows on the screen. By pressing the arrow up or down buttons, you can change the hour of the day. Press the menu button to advance to the minutes. Again, by pressing the arrow up or down buttons, you can change the minutes of the day. Then press the menu button again, and you'll be able to use the arrow up or down buttons to change it to AM or PM. Then press the menu button to advance to the year. Again, by pressing the arrow up or down buttons, you can change to the current year. Then press the menu button to advance to the month. By pressing the arrow up or down buttons, you can change to the current month. Then press the menu button to advance to the day, and press the arrow up or down buttons to set to the current day. Press the menu button to arrive at the hardness setting. The factory setting is 25 grains hard. By using the arrow up or down buttons, program the softener for the hardness in the home. In this example, the water hardness that was tested for this home was 30 grains hard. Then press the menu button to advance to the number of people in the home. The factory setting is 4 people. By pressing the arrow up or down buttons, you can change it to the number of people that are in the home. Press the menu button to advance to the water source screen. For this example, the softener is installed on a municipal water source, so we'll select the municipal setting and then press the menu button to advance to the regeneration time. The factory setting for this softener is 2 AM. By pressing the arrow up or down buttons, you can change the regeneration time in increments of 15 minutes, but it is highly recommended that the softener be programmed to regenerate at 2 in the morning. Press the menu button to advance to the Load Default screen. You'll notice that No is highlighted. If we were to press either the arrow up or down button to change this to Yes, then the control valve would revert back to all of its factory settings, which we do not want to happen. So leave it highlighted as No and press the menu button to confirm that programming is complete. The display screen should now show the current date and time that you just programmed, and you have now successfully programmed the softener for the household.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.